is democracy shirk? Democracy is the politician has refined language. He has something called transparency and something called accountability. And similarly, he has the term democracy. Democracy is one in which sovereignty is located with the people. And the people must decide. That's democracy. It is autocracy. It is something wrong that Allah should decide. No, let the people decide. If that is not democracy, then tell me. But politics in Islam is not based on recognizing the people as supreme. Politics in Islam is based on recognizing Allah as supreme. And once you recognize Allah is supreme, they say, no, that is not democracy. You cannot have Allah's law as a supreme law. That is not democracy. So I say, you take your democracy and go and throw it in the sea.